Alright team, today's the day. We're going to be servicing the PNW dropper post. Is what this thing's been doing is it's been coming up, it's getting a little sticky in this last little bit. So call the guys at PNW, they give you a full rebuild rundown. We're going to try that out today. As per all of my little mechanicking videos, I'm not going to show you these step by step. I'm just going to go over it. I'm going to give you the things that I learn as I go through it and try to not waste your time with the step by step that you can get somewhere else. With that being said, we'll go ahead and get started. Hey, make sure you check out the video linked above. This is from PNW Components. They're gonna give you a deep dive into how to do this. All I'm doing is providing additional commentary that they might not have in there. So make sure you give that a watch before you start. Make sure you let out any high pressure using a shock pump. Don't just push down the valve. That can be pretty dangerous. Alright, so check this out. So this was super grimy in there. I don't know if that necessarily means anything. Anyway, we got the body of it loose. The stanchions are loose. Looking inside my collar here, definitely grimy. Like, look at that. You can see kind of some of that grime it left behind. So we're gonna be pulling this off. We're gonna be cleaning it up and we're gonna be getting ready. So far, this has been super easy. Honestly, surprisingly so. Anyway, we'll just keep on tearing it down. Alright people, here's a little trick that I've found. Business cards. Business cards are the business. So what you can do is if you've got a dirty stanchion like this, is what I like to do is I'll take this and I'll slip it in there and I can just work some of that dirt out. Look at that. It's just getting that grease out. So I'll just go around that gently a few times, keep working it through, pulling that dirt out, and we'll keep on going. Everything looks good so far. This is a pretty clever design. These little bushings in here fit in the grooves in this, so it all gets locked and loaded. This is a pretty dang clever design. First lesson learned, these little pins in here, they will fall out. Make sure you're working on the cleanest surface you can and have a good amount of grease in there so that if they fall out, they're easy to find, they don't bounce. Because if you got grease in there, they won't fall. Be on the lookout for that. But then keep in mind, the labeling always goes on the back of your post. And then if you think about how your post is oriented, you'll want it to fit in there such that it all goes together. Let's see if I can do this. There. So as this cartridge slides up, those alignment features are right here on the back, just like that. So when it's sitting on the bike, just like that, PNW facing forward, measurements facing backwards. Another thing to keep in mind, this rod keeps falling out. What I would recommend if I were to start this over, set this aside. Keep in mind, there's a flat end and there's a round end. The round end goes down. This is in their video, but just a good reminder, the flat end goes down. We're about ready to stick it back together. Okay, another thing that I'm gonna do here that's not necessarily standard, you see that little star nut in there? That thing seems to be kind of working its way loose. I have to actually stick a screwdriver in there whenever I take this air cap out. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of push that in there a little bit tighter. The guy on the phone recommended maybe taking a little needle nose pliers and kind of twisting that. We'll try to give that a go, see how it goes, but we're just going to make sure that star nut does not move.
Needle nose pliers of choice, they work great.
Right on. Well, hey, we're ready to actually, I think I've got it back together. We're all buttoned up, ready to give it a go. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it back on the bike. Right on, that was actually way easier than I thought. So check this out. And it went pretty seamlessly, but it goes down easier, comes up way easier. Look at that, fresh dropper. Honestly, it was every bit as easy as they said. You got the tools to do it, you got the confidence, go for it.